Risk to reward ratio is a way of comparing how much you are prepared to lose on a trade with how much you aim to gain. For example, imagine a trade entered at £100 with a stop loss at 98 and a profit target at 104. Here, you are risking £2 to make 4. That gives a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. In simple terms, you are risking 1 to make 2. The calculation is straightforward. Measure the distance from entry to stop loss for your risk and from entry to target for your reward. This works the same whether you are trading pounds, points, pips, or percentages. The idea is always the same: what you risk versus what you can make. A 1-to-1 ratio means you are risking the same as you are trying to gain. 1 to 2 means you are aiming to make twice what you risk. 1 to 3 means 3 times. But a higher ratio does not automatically mean a better trade. If you push your target further away, the ratio improves, but the trade becomes less likely to hit it. That's why levels should come from the market, not from forcing a ratio. Risk to reward also needs to be viewed alongside win rate. You don't need to win every trade to be profitable. A strategy that wins less often can still perform well if winners are larger than losers. On the other hand, a high win rate can still lose money if losses are bigger than gains. And remember, costs like spreads, commissions, and slippage can change the real outcome. Ultimately, risk to reward is not about predicting winners. It's about understanding the balance between risk and reward before you enter a trade. Used with proper position sizing, stop-loss placement, and a clear plan, it helps ensure every trade is intentional and that the reward justifies the risk.